Howdy, howdy, guys. Welcome back to Cruiserman's Inventions. So, this little video here in this experiment, as you can see, it's a drill connected to a brushed DC motor at 180 watts. It's a 24-volt one, and I've got the meter also on the DC side here up to 200. That's the DC side, that's the AC side. So DC up to 200, and it's going back into here and here in the back of this inverter. So you are all familiar with inverters. This is a 300 watt inverter. This ain't very powerful, but 12 volt goes in, and you can get 240 volts coming out of this thing. So if the load, at 300 watt load, and then this thing will just turn off if it overloads. But I've got just a simple light bulb there. If you follow the cord back, it just comes around, and it just goes back in here. But what I've done is I've just plugged in the drill into the mains power over here, right, into the wall, so that I can spin this motor up, because we're not running any of this by batteries. We're running this off here by spinning this motor up and creating power that way. This is going to help me with seeing what power is there, because we need between 12 volts and 14 volts, I think it is. So we can't go over. We don't want to overspin it, right? So here we go. I'm going to spin it up now, guys. So here we go. Spinning it up. More. Here we go. Light bulb's on. A little bit more. There we go. Light got a bit brighter. Cool. Very awesome. Wow. Yeah. Wow, pretty cool. So you're probably wondering, well, why don't you make it self-looping? Why don't you just plug the drill into here and then just make the thing self-loop and have a battery like this to kickstart the whole thing off? Well, you could if you wanted to, but you got to bear in mind this is hardly powerful enough to run this, and this being 300 watts can't run the drill because the drill is about 500 watts. So you see what I mean? Certain things have to be in order. Better generator, better inverter, then the whole process will work. Yeah, self-looping once again. So yeah, pretty cool, eh, guys? So yep, that's it there. What else can I run off it? Well, I did have my battery charger running off it, but I don't want to plug it back up. But it does run. Anything under 300 watts will run. Yeah, this is 300 watts. Where did it say that? Yeah, it maxes out at 6, but it said 3. Yeah, and it peaks out at 600. But yeah, very cool, guys. Very cool. So this is a little bit of writing that was on the motor. 24 volts DC at it's only throwing out 14.6 amps down here. It says, yeah, pretty cool. It does matter which way you turn these. I had to flip my wires around the other way because you're actually supposed to turn these in anti-clockwise, not clockwise. But you can get away with it turning it clockwise as long as you turn your wires backwards. So yeah, because with DC motors, it's direct current. And it shows up, and the way that you can find that out is a bar. See that bar blinking there? Well, if you were in reverse, giving out reverse volts, that bar right there becomes permanent. But in positive volts, it goes away. So yeah, that will show you which way it should be turned. Anyways, guys, hope you liked the video, and it definitely gives you food for thought. So, big hi to my boys, James and Maitreya. Cool, guys. Big hi to my subscribers. Keep hard at it, guys. Cruiser Man out.